Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne. Today I will be showing you the super cute slicked back 2 ponytails. These are plaited ponytails with curls at the end. If you want to see how I get into this super simple look, let's get right in. I am splitting my hair directly down the middle and putting away one half. Split the other half into 2 halves and put away the top. I am applying the Phi Heat Hot Sauce Thermal Active Leave-In Treatment to all 4 sections, and then I am using my Revlon Turbo hair dryer and stretching the hair using the wet brush. Now that all 4 sections are stretched, brush and blow through all of the kinks. I am smoothing Marae's edge wax on both sides of the hair along the part. I'm perfecting the part with a rat tail comb. Now I am putting away one side. Apply more edge wax to hold the hair in place. Brush the product into the hair. Apply the got to be glued to the lengths of the hair and smooth it in. Use the rat tail comb to pull out the baby hairs. Apply more product along the front perimeter of the hair. I'm using my wooden hairbrush to distribute the product and then smooth down my hair. Now I'm going to gather all of the hair into the place that I want it to be. Then with the wet brush, I am brushing through any of those bulges and kinks all the way through the lengths of the hair and brushing and smoothing again. I am spraying Pump It Up Spritzer Super Hold to allow the hairstyle to harden in place. And I am putting it into a ponytail and pulling that through multiple times so it's nice and tight. And then I'm also going to split it in half and pull it nice and snug again. Now I have my extra hair and a scrunchie. Hold the extra hair firmly in the middle. I'm laying the hair on top of my natural ponytail and I'm going to hair tie it to mine exactly in the middle, making multiple ties around and pulling the hair through so it's nice and tight. I'm working some got to be into the hair and splitting the hair in the middle and pulling tightly. I'm pulling out a small piece towards the front area, and that will be wrapped around the base of the braid to hide the hair ties. I'm pulling the hairs tight and creating the braid with 3 strands, crossing both of the outside strands to the middle. And adding a scrunchie 3 inches before the end of the hair. Now comb the piece of hair out. I am using Pump It Up Spritzer, smooth it flat, and begin to wrap the hair around the braid, starting as close to where the hair is and working your way up. And then secure the end of the hair tightly under where the scrunchie is. Now place the flexi rod on the underside of the hair and wrap it around all the way to the ends and close the flexi rod on both sides, overlapping. Now do the same thing on the other side. I'm using a mini flat iron to straighten out the baby hairs. Got to be and Marae's on the edges, using the flat side of the brush to smooth the product on. I'm brushing my edges into place Now I am quickly putting on an edge silk scarf to make sure that they stay in place. I'm dipping the ends into hot water without going past the hair tie. My makeup is complete and now it's time to snatch that wrap off. Now open and unroll the hair from the flexi rod in the opposite direction that you rolled it in. Don't pull or tug or else it will mess up the curl pattern. This look is finally complete and it looks so sleek. This is a quick classic style to wear day or night. It's super lightweight and low tension. It gives you such a youthful look. I'm in love. This makeup look will be linked above and will be posted next week. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching until the end of this video. If you want to see more looks like this, super cute hairstyles by yours truly, check out my channel for the latest videos and subscribe for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.